right, so this is a video of 105 Madison. It's located just off of Bedford Avenue. Closest trains are gonna be the C, G, and E train, okay? Really spacious layout with a 18-foot long living room area, recessed lighting, and really great features throughout. So we're just gonna go through that quickly. First, I just wanna make sure you have a good pan of the living room area. Okay, nice, beautiful, polished hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, plenty of cabinetry. Okay, they're just in the finishing stages of completing the unit. Nice tile backsplash. First room juxtaposed from the kitchen is going to be your office area. Okay, and I can email you measurements if you're interested. Okay, so this is first room, which is the office, okay? Then you head down the hall and then you get to see your bathroom. Nice deep soaking tub, very clean, fully tiled bathroom with a glass door on your shower, okay? Then either bedrooms are side by side. They're both 18 feet long. And they both have really large closet space. So this one has a massive, deep walk-in closet. You can walk into it so you can get an idea. Okay, so I'm standing here. I want to say, give or take, it's about 6 feet deep. Okay, then this is your second bedroom here, also with a deep double door closet here. Okay, and then as we go further down, this will be the private backyard for any of the tenants living on the property. Okay, so you have this beautiful greenery here. Okay. And that's it. The asking price for this unit is $3,500. Okay. It's a prime location, really well maintained 3-unit townhouse building, very quiet. And also there's a shared laundry, the bottom level. It's $175 per load. There's 2 washers and 2 dryers for the building, so that's plenty. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. My name is Renee Miller with Corcoran, and my email is rsmiller@corcoran.com. Thank you and have a great one.